Brought to you by VFTV.
Club members, to another preview show today, episode 32. And Pierre has a lot of heat that is just for your eyes. Just you got it first. You can see it first, and you can also enjoy it first if you want.
Listen, man, you and I have been making a lot of shit lately. That's for sure. When I say shit, I mean good stuff, you know. But this is a pretty huge clip, but it's like there's really some high quality stuff in here too. So we've got some Ducks, we've got some Otanis, we've got some minor league baseball, and we've got the Olympic patches, man, which I think just about everybody in the world is waiting for. So,
oh yeah,
you ready to get into this, Pat?
Yes, sir.
All right, let's start with a little bit of duck hunting.
Mm-hmm.
Look at this thing,
beautiful.
Woodland camo. Orange visor. You've got that Ducks logo on the front, that 30th anniversary, gray UV. Man, I love this thing.
Yeah.
We weren't too sure when we did it, but it came out pretty good.
Yeah. I love that camo lately. It's great.
Pat, have you ever gone hunting before?
Yeah, I've been.
You have? Okay.
Yeah.
So my dad, when I was younger, hunted from time to time, and one time I went into the garage and there was a skinned deer in there.
Yeah. Oh.
And my hunting days were over.
Yeah, I saw that too. But if you're waiting like 2-3 days more and then you get like to eat it, like sausages and all that stuff, it's great.
It actually tastes really good.
Yeah, but I'm so I will never go hunting again. So I don't want to shoot on animals.
I'm too soft in my old age. I can't do it.
Whoa, this looks amazing.
I love this thing.
Mm-hmm.
Black, that plum, right?
Mm-hmm. Great. Yes, with the pure.
This is the best logo in hockey, right? I mean, come on.
Yeah. Beside the Red Wings, that's for sure.
Of course, you're going to say the Red Wings, but all right. So those are the two Ducks we have dropping, and we do have, believe it or not, guys, we do have more coming, but those two are fantastic. Now we're getting into a minor league clip here.
Mm-hmm.
We're going to start with a plain Jane.
Oh, yeah. That logo is so nice.
And it didn't get approved a bunch of times, which is crazy.
Yeah.
We did a 1.0. This is the 2.0. So you've got that green crown. You got that purple.
Oh,
if you guys can see in there, that metallic blue-gray on the mountaintop.
Mm-hmm. Beautiful.
A nice plain.
Is it olive or is it alpine green? I think
alpine green.
Alpine green. Yep. Mm.
Yeah, I love that alpine green because that's it's got a nice it's like because sometimes olive can look a little washed.
Yeah.
Sometimes, but this looks like nice and rich.
I love it because there's something weird with that fabric because every time I have a hat with alpine green, it fits perfectly.
The fabric, you know what's interesting, Pat, that you say that the fabric is like it feels a little bit thicker.
Yeah, exactly. But
it's the polys.
I mean, I think also this makes it easier in the production to make it exactly the size.
Yeah.
Because the thinner the fabric is, the more problematically it gets sometimes with cotton and that stuff.
Oh yeah, you're right. Because the thickness of the fabric is going to allow it to be more, more sturdy.
Yep.
All right. So now we had to use this micro fleece, this color, and I think it came out great with this.
Oh yeah.
I don't know, Pat, if you remember, because we've been making so many hats, but one of our biggest surprise hats ever was the first Yakima Bears we did like this. They made it an in-store exclusive, and it blew out. Remember that?
Yep.
And it was almost this exact design, but on a black hat.
Yeah.
But this thing came out crazy, man.
Yeah. Now the Boston Bruins have to be fast to bring their logo finally.
Well,
that we can do it.
Yeah. Do it the proper way, right?
Yeah.
I've been trying to get into hockey, Pat. I don't have as much time as I used to, but I know the Bruins aren't too good this year. So,
yeah. Never underestimate them.
They're a pain in the ass, right? They're like that sort of team in the NHL.
Yeah, I think it's like Florida is again very strong, and let's see. Red Wings suck too.
The Cubanos.
Oh, nice.
So we did it in that natural hemp this time.
Mm-hmm.
That brown across the front, metallic gold.
Mm-hmm.
Wanted to give it a different feel. This kind of has like that Cuban cigar feel. Nice and light. This is a really good looking hat. The Cubanos.
Oh, yeah.
And you know what? You and I still love Realtree. We've made that pretty clear. I love Realtree. I don't know. There's something about it. I really love it. I don't care what anybody says, man. Realtree is here to stay.
Oh, yeah. That logo is beautiful, the Kingston logo.
And you and I, like, we made this one so long ago, it's probably like a distant memory for us. But once I pulled it out of the box, I was like, man, I got to wear this thing.
Yeah. It's a great logo. Nice embroidery.
Another team that you and I have done quite a bit of is Visalia.
Mm-hmm. It's great. That's perfectly. We talked about that last time. If you turn it around, it's an A, and it's like Austria with the cows.
That taught me something the other day too, everybody. There is a such thing as pig wool. So
oh yeah, no, this is something something to, yeah.
So when we're talking about animals, Pat's been teaching me about pig wool. It's like one of the main exports from Austria.
No, it's not an export. It's like the sausages are huge here of this special pigs.
Look at the San Antonio missions, man.
Oh yeah, that's
with
great.
the tattered Texas flag on the side.
Finally.
Yeah, I don't. This was a problem, right? This thing, man. They didn't want to.
Yeah, we wanted to do it in the front, but they said no. We cannot do that in the front. It's
That
great.
would look badass on the front too.
Yeah.
All right, one more minor league. I love this hat too. The Indianapolis Indians. Metallic red, metallic blue, gold. This I love too.
They have a great ballpark there.
Yeah, there's some minor league ballparks that are really fantastic and others that are like, oh, this is not a.
No, it's quite new also.
Yeah. Did you like the Yard Goats one better or this one?
Yeah, no, the Yard Goats. The Yard Goats one is the best.
It's like it's like you're at a Major League Baseball game.
Yeah, it is the best. Absolutely. It is the best.
So
it's so weird because the downtown of Hartford looks like something like Detroit, and then this new thing is there. The only thing which is new.
Hartford's not what one would call a beautiful city, that's for sure. It's nice. The insurance capital of the world, though, Pat.
Yeah, I saw there's a lot of like United Healthcare and all that stuff.
Yeah, United Healthcare. They've been in the news a lot lately.
Oh yeah, this is great. The embroidery is so good on this one.
It is. You know what this like this one and the kid, right? With the autographs kind of going over top of the nickname. Yep. I love them, man. And absolutely. This one, the Japanese flag, green UV.
Yep. Beautiful.
I'm gonna tell you right now, man. We've made so many Ohtani hats. These Ohtani collectors must be loving us because I mean, I don't know how many you and I have made, but there's been like, it's got to be about 100 of them.
Oh yeah, a lot.
All right, so we did a 1.0 of this one, right? And that was when he was with the Angels. So we had to do a 2.0, the version with the Los Angeles.
The color flip of the Japanese.
Yep.
Jersey, beautiful.
You and I aren't front panel guys, but it fits on this.
No, on this one, it's absolutely great.
I love it. All right. Now we got 3 Olympic patches, okay? So one Olympic patch we're not showing. That one will be available only online. Now, there's another one that will be available to Vault Club members later. And there's a couple more coming, but these are the 3 we're making available to Vault Club members right now. And trust me, guys, you're going to want to jump on these because if anyone knows anything about this patch, its significance, and how collectors feel about it, this thing is gigantic. So these Pat jumped on right away when he saw them, made them for Europe. Unfortunately, they can't be released in Europe. So we ended up just taking these over to the US, releasing them here. So Pat did a great job on these. We also have more coming, some US versions. That may find their way to Europe. I don't know. No, they won't find their way to Europe because they can't.
No, not legally.
Pat's going to create a black market. So we're going to start first with this chrome two-tone. So we've got chrome with brown, and then this patch. Listen, this patch, I'm going to say it right now, Pat is my favorite patch ever. It's just perfect.
Yeah, absolutely. So we did the time dedicated LA logo in the front, which is a little bit bigger and a little bit thinner.
Anna noticed that too, Pat.
Yep.
She was like, is that LA a little bit bigger? I was like, yeah, because it's appropriate for the era.
Yep.
So the way we wanted to introduce these, right, is with just nice, clean logos. Now, this one, we wanted to keep it super clean, black, black dome, green under, white LA, and then you've got the patch outlined in metallic gold.
That's so beautiful, that patch.
Dude, it's the best, man.
Yeah.
It's the best. It's crazy. And then last but not least, we got the black and brown two-tone.
Oh, yeah. Some copper.
Of course. Remember, I was talking to someone the other day about when we used to call toppers coppers. Look at this. That's it. So this is all of it, guys. So as Vault Club members, you have a unique opportunity to grab these things without fighting and battling. So, now the video is complete. You can send your email requests over to mh@topperzstoreusa.com, and we'll help you out. We'll get those invoices written up between Friday and Saturday. And then the faster the group pays, the better off I can get these things out. So I try to get them when they're like 95% paid, then we do the shipping.
Awesome.
So one other thing I just want to kind of bring up really quick, and that's the virtual shopping experiences at Topperzstore Mott Haven. So Anna's first 2 days were super successful. Had some great appointments with people. A couple of things. You have to have Instagram, and you have to also be following Anna's account, and Anna needs to be following your account to have the video conferencing work. But it's been absolutely amazing. Every customer that's done it has found something that they wanted, which has been great. So take advantage of that. And if you want to take part in that, you too can email mh@topperzstoreusa.com, and Anna will set up an appointment with you. Just give her some time windows that work for you between the hours of 11 a.m. and 5:30 p.m. Every day except for Thursday and Sunday.
Awesome. I'll book an appointment next week and see what's in the store, and then probably I stock up a little bit.
Anna would love to have a video conference with her Austrian brother-in-law. So let's make that happen, because I'm sure she would like it. But what we're really trying to do here, everybody, is we're trying to meet customers where they are. So if you want to shop our store from your couch, you can do that. If you want to come into our store, we'd love that too. You want to shop online, shop online. But either way, Pat and our mission is to meet customers where they are. So I hope you guys enjoy that experience. And with that, I'm going to ask you to take us away, Pat.
Yeah, so thank you very much for tuning in. This was a very special preview show with stuff that will be flying, that's for sure. So get your invoices in and enjoy the hats. This is the most important thing. And thank you, Pierre, for showing this beautiful hats off.
Yes, thank you, Pat. And goodbye, everybody. We'll talk to you again soon.